Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech review, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm doing a camera test on the Note 10 Plus. Y'all let me know how everything looks, how does that sound. Now I'm shooting this in 4K at 60 frames per second. In this video, I'm gonna just test out the cameras, shoot some video, some photos during the day and nighttime, just to see how the cameras are. Are they better than last year's model, the Note 9, or even the S10 Plus? This is what we're about to find out. So y'all let me know. Look at the ground. Not too bad. Now one thing, at 60 frames, I do not have access to the wide angle lens, but I can zoom in. Let's see. 10 times zoom. Y'all let me know how that looks. Looks a little shaky though. Not too bad. I'm gonna come back out. So the next part will be at 4K at 30 frames. Just stay tuned for that part. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second. Y'all let me know how everything looks. How's the stabilization? I just want to see how good these cameras really are. Again, how do I sound too? I'm not using any type of external mic. This is the mics coming from the phone. The great thing about 30 frames per second, I do have access to the wide angle. Look at that. Or even the telephoto lens. 2 times zoom. Let's pop that back out. But y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. Home of the Vipers or Venom, the football cheer team. But what I'm seeing on the cameras or the phone itself, it looks really good. Dude, slow pan. Not the brightest day in Texas. No, it won't rain here, trust me. They tease us with some rain, but it doesn't really rain in here at all. Let's go see. Let's go do some focusing. But yeah, I'm at my favorite park. Bam. But what y'all think? That's actually pretty quick and looks pretty good. I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 60 frames, so stay tuned for that, and y'all let me know how it's going. Peace. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 60 frames per second on the Note 10 Plus. How does everything look and how does I sound? If you have the phone, what color do you pick up? And do you get the 512 or the 256? Yes, there's a car coming. They probably really think I'm weird. That's okay though. Look, I'm gonna try to work out today. I'm gonna do some squats. Probably not though, but you know, at least I'm gonna tell y'all that. But again, y'all let me know how everything looks, how's the colors, how do I sound. When I make these videos, I say that a lot. Hold on, slow pan again. Again, at 60 frames, you do not have access to the wide angle lens. Look down there, that is a minivan. But I can zoom in though. Let's go 10 times zoom. Y'all let me know how everything looks. And how do I sound too, by the way. Look, focus. Man, this camera is really good. I don't see any problems with it. But it's up to y'all. Y'all make the decision. Do your homework. Buy the phones you want to buy. Look, it's already dirty. It looks like people actually work out here. Probably not. You think I could get my fat butt up there and jump? Probably not either. But y'all let me know how this was. I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 30. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames per second. Stabilization is back on. That was the wide angle. Now I'm back to the regular lens, but let's go back to wide angle. Shout out to Android Stud. I know he has his Note 10 Plus, and I know he's loving the wide angle because he loves his wide angles on his phones. But y'all let me know how that looks. So I can zoom into at 2 times the zoom. Now I'm back out at the regular camera, but y'all let me know how everything looks. That car's coming back, and now I'm talking to a tree, but that's okay. Again, if you had this phone, are you liking it? Do you hate it? Y'all let me know in the comments. Are you going to pick it up? Are you doing your homework? Man, look at that tree. Look at that. That looks pretty cool, but y'all let me know how everything looks. I'm gonna come back with the front facing camera next just to see how that is. Again, the grass is dead around here in Texas, but into that part of the video, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is the front facing camera on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. How do I look? How do I sound? Look at that background though. That actually looks pretty good. It really does look like it's about to rain out in Texas. I will believe it when I see it though. But how was this whole video part of it? I'm actually going to come back with nighttime video. People actually watch nighttime video. I don't know why. I guess sometimes people take videos at nighttime. But y'all let me know how this looks. This is in 4K at 30 frames per second. And I think everything looks pretty good. Shout out to the LSU Tigers, by the way. Go Tigers. But look at the grass on the background too. Man, it actually looks pretty good. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Again, what y'all think? Look at that front camera. Are you going to pick this up? Are you going to trade in your Note 9 or your S10 Plus? I don't know. Do your homework. Let me know. I'm going to come back with the nighttime video soon. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So I lied. I'm actually going to do the live focus feature on the front camera. Y'all let me know how it looks. How does that bokeh effect look? This is turned up all the way to a level 7. Yes, I'm gonna do the nighttime video, but I just wanted to show y'all the new feature with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. LG has it too. Which one does it better? Y'all let me know. Actually, it crops out pretty good, but I can't wait until I get this to a computer. But I'm gonna come back with the nighttime video next. I just wanted to do this live focus really quick. But y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. Until then, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day. Okay, everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second on the Note 10 Plus. What do y'all think about it? How does everything look? Again, how's the mics on this phone? What y'all thought about the video earlier? Look, there's a car coming. He just got out of Big Lots. I didn't think anybody was there still. The great thing about 4K, I can use the different lenses too. Do wide angle. Man, the wide angle looks horrible with the lights. Let's see if I zoom over here. Not too bad. Let's go back in, but check out the stabilization on the phone too. I mean, everything looks pretty good. Big Lots for the win. Check out the ground. It's doing a pretty good job at nighttime. But what y'all thought about the videos and the photos earlier? Y'all let me know. Yes, there's some construction over there happening. Who knows what they're saying, but it's all good. But y'all let me know what y'all thought about it. I'm gonna come back with the front facing camera and wrap up this video. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is the front facing camera on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I really do like the cameras on here. This actually looks pretty good at nighttime. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. How does that sound? Again, the mics should be great. At least what I'm seeing in the video earlier. But what y'all thought about the video earlier and the photos? Is the Note 10 cameras the cameras of the year? Y'all let me know. Is it better than the Pixel? I don't know because I don't have the Pixel, but the front camera on this phone looks really good. And it makes me look good. That's how good the cameras are. And it is really hard to make me look good. So, but y'all let me know what y'all thought about this whole video. If you want to see any other comparisons, I might do one with the LG G8 Gen Q. But y'all let me know what y'all want to see, and let's have a discussion in the comments below. I will definitely answer any questions y'all have and just say what's up, especially if you leave me a comment. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Note 10. Follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.